Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Oats are very nutritious and this is something that you should incorporate into your daily diet. Today I'm going to share a lovely breakfast recipe. This is Oats Dosa. This is made with very simple ingredients and you can make them instantly. Let's get started and check out the recipe. For the Oats Dosa, I've taken about 1 cup of rolled oats. So for this I'm going to add just enough water so that it's completely immersed. This is going to absorb all the water and it's going to soften up. So let this soak for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes you can see the oats are nice and soft. Transfer the soaked oats to a mixer jar. To the mixer jar add 1 medium sized onion roughly chopped, 3 green chillies roughly chopped. Next add a small piece of ginger finely chopped. Add about half teaspoon of rock salt, half teaspoon cumin seeds, and just a little Asafoetida powder, that is hing. Also add a pinch of turmeric powder and grind everything together to get a nice fine batter. So I have not added any water while grinding, but if you do need water, you can just add a little bit to get the right consistency. Transfer the ground mixture to the bowl. So if you feel the batter is too thick, you can just dilute it by adding a little water. So now the oats batter is ready. You can see it's not too thick or too runny. It's a nice perfect consistency. Now we can start making the dosas. Heat a tawa or a dosa pan. Take a ladle of the batter. Pour it onto the hot tawa. Just add a little ghee on all sides. Once it's cooked on one side, flip it to the other side. I'm making these oats dosas like pancakes because they're nice and small and it's easy and quick to consume. If your kids are very fussy about eating oats, this is one way you can give it to them. You can make the dosas whichever size you like. Make sure you serve them nice and hot with some nice chutney by the side. Now I'm serving these oats dosas or pancakes with some nice tangy and spicy tomato chutney. You can serve with any side dish of your choice. Here's another great healthy breakfast option for you guys. So you can see these dosas look more like pancakes and they're so soft and they literally melt in your mouth. It's best enjoyed with some nice chutney by the side. So today I'm serving it with some nice tomato chutney. Do try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now. So you can place your orders on 21frames.in.